How to change your region on Android. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your region on Android. First of all, go to Settings in your Android. Then tap on System Settings. Scroll down and select Language and Region. Here select Region. Tap on the region that you want to change. Then tap to open the web browser from your home screen. Make a search for NordVPN. Here, tap to open this VPN. This is the way you can change your region on Android. Alternatively, one of the best ways to change your location on your phone or computer is to use a good VPN. They are reliable and will make any website, app, or person think you're in a different location. We highly recommend NordVPN. We have left a link in the video description if you would like to check them out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.